Finding the perfect recipe can be a challenge, especially a great cheesecake recipe. Well, here at A Side Guy Cooks, we make the search easy for you with lemon cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's make the crust. Set your timer for 20 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Let's prepare the filling.
Yep.
Let's build the cheesecake. Set your timer for 50 minutes. As always, ovens do vary. Cheesecakes date back to the ancient Greece on the island of Samos during the 5th century BC. During this time, cheesecakes were popular as a wedding dessert. Let's make the lemon curd. Time for the lemon whipped cream. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion of this amazing cheesecake on a plate. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this cheesecake is smooth and creamy, and the fresh juice and zest of the lemons delivers a burst of citrus brightness. The flaky and buttery crust complements the cheesecake perfectly. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one delicious dessert. Stay with us. Watch the next video.